great rain, great rain.
Previously at Church of Great Rain.
I love.
Welcome to the kissing booth.
Well, isn't this quaint?
I got a sweet tooth, and you look sweet to me. I wanna be sweet to you.
A lone sea lion in the distance. The unsettling sounds of low-tide mollusks. I've never been to a lemonade stand before that had a piano bar.
You are the milk bone of my eye. You are the squirrel in my tree. You are the frisbee in my sky. Rex, you're the only dog for me.
I got you, babe.
Well then, handsome, pucker up.
And now for your consideration, weird mysteries of the world.
Vashon weird on the island where weird is revered.
Meanwhile, we're saying you're pretty weird, Vashon Island, Vashon Island, V-A-S-H-O-N Island, Vashon Island. Yo!
Island life, island life.
What are you, a county liaison or a magic 8-ball?
These roads are my roads, from Cape Lava to Walla Walla, from the mountain forest to the White Columbia. These roads were paved by you and me. Get yourself home and unplug the phone, and then pluck tooth pops from the fridge.
Holy rock, holy rock. I will meet you on that holy rock.
Sending coordinates to satellite-based laser.
What?
Target locked.
No.
Blow them all sky high.
Is there a preacher in the house?
We're here to join these two lovely islands in holy roller matrimony.
Great rain, great rain. I thought I heard you calling my name. I was standing at the river, talking to a young Mark Twain. I was standing by the station, waving down an unmarked train.
Church of Great Rain, the music and comedy are simply brilliant.